Hey, how's it going? In this video, we continue the series where I'm interested to do a little bit more research and see what kind of information I would be able to find about this interesting projects, I guess, that yourself you might be interested in investing in those projects, if anything. Uh, uh, in this video, you do it. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the Blue Brain project. I think this is a very similar project, but this one is based in Switzerland, Europe. The Blue Brain project stands as one of the most ambitious and cutting-edge scientific endeavor of our time. Launched in 2005, this pioneering initiative aims to simulate the recreate an intricates of human brain with computer offering profound insights into the brain structure and function. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at everything what I personally believe everyone should know about this project. That would be concept, history, significance of the project, perhaps some of the challenges. Let's cover that and many more things in more detail in this video. Start with the concept. The Blue Brain project is groundbreaking research initiative that seeks to create a digital replica of the human brain. It is based on the concept of computational neuroscience, science which combines supercomputing power and advanced algorithms to model the brain neural networks, providing a platform to study its complex mechanism and details. So, okay, so it's perhaps slightly different where not necessarily would be people would not necessarily need invasive surgery, but either way, so perhaps not necessarily it would perform similar or same task, but it would be a different project. History of the project was initiated by Henry Markram in 2005. Its headquarters in École, polytechnique fédérale de Lausanne. Okay, it's in Switzerland, so it's it's professional school, I guess. Either way, the endeavor was inspired by the idea of reverse engineering the brain, understanding its functional principles, and the potentially project has potential to unlock the secrets of neurological disorders and cognitive processes. So some of the problems, not necessarily I'm covering everything what these people are looking to achieve, but just information I managed to find about some of the problems that people are looking to solve. And some of the projects might be ambitious, depending on how much finance, access to different technologies that they may have, as well as willing participants by some of those projects, and some do take their time, right? Significance. The Blueprint project holds more significance for several reasons. Let's cover those. Let's cover perhaps just four. Let's keep it short, I guess. Understanding brain functionality. By replicating the brain neural networks, the project aims to enhance and understand all brain functions, potentially revealing mechanism hiding neurological diseases and mental disorders. So it's something that they're trying to understand. There might be a lot of finance in this area, but I don't know. I'm not entirely sure how they're looking to monetize this. I can understand how they would be interested in monetizing some other projects, but perhaps not this particular one. Perhaps there's some funding or a lot of funding coming from different governments. Medical breakthroughs. The research conducts under the project umbrella could lead to a breakthrough in the treatments or conditions like Alzheimer's and similar diseases, and how they're looking to solve those medical breakthroughs and potentially offer a lot of value to large groups of people. Artificial intelligence. Insights from the project could be instrumental in advancing artificial intelligence and machine learning, offering algorithmic and architecture insights by the brain, and how we're looking to perhaps potentially improve machines, right? I see what they're doing there. Mind-computer interfaces. The project may contribute to the development of mind-computer interfaces, allowing direct communications between human brain and external devices. Again, yeah, so I thought it's the same. But either way, so I'm not entirely sure how we're gonna achieve this part, right? So, but Ideally, perhaps not in the beginning. So not necessarily this project set this goal in the beginning, but either way. So we're looking for to solve very similar problems as any other projects of that. Let's take a look at some of the challenges that the project might have. First one, data collection. Gathering detailed data on the brain structure and function is a monumental task require advanced image technologies and presence measurements. I have seen some of the smart or very large computers that could potentially we might be able to have this technology now, or if not, perhaps in the matter of next 5 years. We're definitely going to have technology to collect some of the imaging, right? As well as we can potentially use AI technology to help to understand some of those images that we're going to collect. Computational power, simulating the brain complexity demands immersive computational powers necessary or would need to come from supercomputers and high performance computing overall resources. So they would look potentially to access those. I'm not entirely sure how they're gonna look to achieve that. Even now, right? So quick note. Even now that I'm updating some of the software that I might have on my computers or anything, this software would slow my computer down, right? Well, just because I'm not entirely sure what those business people would do with the software, potentially perhaps come over some of my hardware, right? So with some of the operating system, uh, come in and be updated like nothing happened, right? Once it's been updated, would potentially take over operating system or would take over all the hardware, and that hardware can potentially be used to help some similar projects, right? I don't know if all the people are following what I'm saying, but it's saying with I'm talking about some of the projects out there which can potentially take over your hardware. Once they take over, potentially your hardware can be used for many tasks, right? So we're talking about business people, right? So someone is struggling 5 buildings from where I'm living with how to cook eggs, right? So my hardware potentially can be used to help solve this problem, and the business person can pocket the difference. Verifications, ensuring the accuracy of a digital model and its ability to replicate real-world brain behavior is an ongoing challenge. So they have perhaps tried it for, and it's an ongoing process, and it's a big challenge to do. Interdisciplinary collaboration, effective collaboration between neuroscientists, computer scientists, biologists, and data analytics is crucial for the project success. So just having number of different areas expertise working together, as it is with many things up there, right? There is a lot of funding for similar projects up there who are interested. I have seen a lot of funding within Europe, in particular, where they are offering a lot of money for people who are interested in developing such a project. You can submit your project and receive a lot of funding if it's something that you like to do. Potential applications. Neuroscience, the project could reveal the brain's mysteries, helping researchers understand conditions like without naming any names. I don't know if this video is going to be highlighted and I'm covering any of those. So I'm just covering the brief understanding of the project, not any of the diseases that people might be suffering from. So I don't want to see that to be highlighted either way. Pharmaceutical development, insights from the project could expand drug discovery. So there's a lot of applications there, but either way, so there's a lot of value there, how they can support and help number of individuals to perhaps overcome. Taking from some of the simple things, perhaps the way how people might perceive food, into perhaps more complicated diseases that could improve longevity and quality of life. AI and machine learning. Brain inspired algorithms could enhance machine learning capabilities, leading to more effective AI systems. So there's a lot of potential there. I see that. I'm not entirely sure how they're gonna work on this project, right? But either way, so there's potential there. Mind-computer interfaces. The project may pave the way for direct brain-computer communications with applications in healthcare, gaming, and communications. I have covered that in a little bit more detail, but either way, so I see a lot of potential there. How people can, or different projects can solve particular problems. It's a very unique problem. It's a handful of people perhaps out there who can solve similar problems out there right now. So there's a lot of market opportunities there, right? Let's close with perhaps captivating facts. Complexity. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons and 100 trillion synapses, making it one of the most intricate and mysterious organs in the human body. That's interesting fact, I guess. Simulating brain. The digital simulation created by the project known as Blue Brain, and it replicates the biological brain down to the level of. Okay, I have covered that in a little bit more detail. Perhaps if they, I'm not entirely sure how they're looking to do that, but if they would create replica and you might be able to work with the replica, is something that's called digital twin without perhaps invasive. I might be interested a little bit more interested in some of the other options out there within the market. Open access data. The project has communicated to open science, making much of its data available to the public and scientific communities, encouraging collaborations and transparency. Open access data, so this is how they classify it. I think it's called slightly different in the IT community, but either way. So they're looking to publish all their work so more people can work and improve on some of the work that they are doing. I'm not entirely sure how they're sourcing any finance. I'm not entirely sure what's happening, right? And it's private business. It's a government set up company. I don't know this part. Human Brain Project. The Blue Brain Project is related to European Human Brain Project. A broad initiative aims to advance neuroscience, medicine, and computing. So perhaps that's something, but it's Switzerland, right? So it's not, it's common trade area, but it's not necessarily part of European Union. So I don't know about the laws, right? I don't know all these details. Why some of the companies might be set up there instead of other countries. People of the are interested in learning more, I have published a journal. Within this journal, I'm focusing on developing habits that will last, as well as developing habits that could potentially help you and improve your routines and the way how you currently working and your approach when it comes to organizing your day. If you were to pick up this journal, I would highly recommend to work from cover to cover, giving you enough time to develop a habit, right? So ideally, so once you start it, our main focus should be 24 hours and optimize it 24 hours. Then approaching every single day, I have highlighted what areas should be important within 24 hours when achieving ideally your goals, your dreams, your set targets for yourself, right? You can find this journal in the description below, as well as top retailers has it. The Blue Brain Project stands as testament of potential of human ingenuity and technology by seeking to unveil mysteries of the brain and recreate its complexity within the realm of computation. Open doors for profound scientific discoveries, medical breakthroughs, and technology advancements. While challenges bound, the project's significance and potential applications make it a beacon of the quest of understanding of human brain and its interactive workings, providing invaluable insights in and how they can shape the future of neuroscience and technology. So there's, if anything, I don't know if it matters, but perhaps by what rules some of those projects might be governed. Right, so some of the projects might be launched within US, some of those projects might be launched within Europe, but not necessarily limited to those. I just I have entered in the search what kind of things I should cover today, and some of the projects that pop up. I would like to understand those projects myself a little bit better, and if I had to pick any of those projects, time would show, right, which participants of the projects would do better, right? If we're comparing two projects, right? Time will show. Opinions doesn't really matter. Opinions, my opinion, perhaps other people's opinions doesn't matter. Results, right? Let's focus on those. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.